Promote world's first AI app that creates stunning talking books in any language or niche in 60 seconds without writing a single word yourself. AI-powered talking book creation. Generate high-quality, interactive and talking books in seconds using artificial intelligence. Drag and drop editor. Easily customize your book's layout, text, and images with a simple, user-friendly interface. 100+ language support. Translate and create books in multiple languages, expanding your global reach. Text-to-speech conversion. Instantly turn any text into engaging, high-quality audio narration. Auto illustration. AI automatically selects and adds relevant, royalty-free images to enhance your book. Interactive elements. Embed videos, GIFs, clickable links, and animations to create immersive experiences. Lifelike AI voice narration. Choose from realistic, human-like AI voices to bring your books to life. Pre-made book templates. Access a collection of professionally designed layouts for quick book creation. Instant ebook publishing. Export your books in multiple formats, including PDF, EPUB, and audiobook files. One-click social media sharing. Publish and share your talking books across all major social media platforms in just one click. Embed talking books on any website or sales pages or online store. Integrate your talking books into websites, sales pages, landing pages and e-commerce stores to boost engagement and sales. Customizable book covers. AI generates beautiful, professional quality covers or lets you upload your own design. Royalty-free asset library. Get access to thousands of images, music tracks, and icons to use in your books. Multi-voice narration. Assign different AI voices to different characters for a dynamic storytelling experience. Voice customization. Adjust voice tone, pitch, and speed to create a personalized narration style. Personalize your talking books with your own photo or an AI avatar as the narrator. Establish yourself as a trailblazing author with AI, to engage readers like never before, and revolutionize the future of storytelling. Sell on multiple platforms. Publish and sell your books on Amazon, Apple Books, etc., and more and keep 100% in profit. Commercial license included. Sell your AI-generated books and keep 100% of the profits. AI-powered story writing. Generate creative and unique stories automatically based on keywords or ideas. Auto-generated table of contents. Organizes content with clickable navigation for easy reading. Cloud-based platform. No downloads or installations required. Access from any device. One-time payment. No monthly fees. Enjoy lifetime access with a single low-cost investment. Royalty-free background music. Add sound effects or background music to enhance your audiobooks. 30 days money-back guarantee. Try risk-free with a satisfaction guarantee or full refund option. Remove Bookflow AI branding and watermark from your all books. Unlock premium features to make 100x more profits. Generate 50+ more premium interactive and talking books. Unlock premium lead magnet feature. Grow your email list and boost engagement. Unlock interactive elements. Embed videos, GIFs, clickable links, and animations to create immersive experiences. One-click QR code sharing. Generate QR codes to easily share and distribute your books online. Export books in multiple formats like PDF or audiobook files. Customizable voice tones and styles. Adjust pitch, speed, and emotion to match your book's mood. Note * you must earn commission equal to prize to claim full cash prize, otherwise you will pay on pro rata basis. Every effort has been made to accurately represent our product and its potential. Any claims made of actual earnings or examples of actual results can be verified upon request. The testimonials and examples used are exceptional results, and don't apply to the average purchaser and are not intended to represent or guarantee that anyone will achieve the same or similar results. Each individual's success depends on his or her background, dedication, desire, and motivation. As with any business endeavor, there is an inherent risk of loss of capital and there is no guarantee that you will earn any money. Notice this site is in no way endorsed by, related to, or in any other way affiliated with or any other website or brand. Disclaimer: privacy policy, terms of use. Contact us. World's first all-in-one marketing AI app suite that creates stunning websites, Ultra HD 4K video, 100% Google-friendly marketing content, attention-grabbing images, replies 24/7 customer support, and much more for a low one-time fee. World's first AI app that lets you create profitable e-com stores and allows you to sell physical products, digital products, and affiliate products for top dollar in just 60 seconds. First to market AI app that lets you schedule online meetings, appointments, events, and calls like pro in just 60 seconds for low one-time fee. Never seen before AI-powered app that lets you access 50+ highly intelligent AI employees that handles all your marketing tasks on autopilot. World's first AI app that creates stunning talking books in any language or niche in 60 seconds without writing a single word yourself.